Hi, I'm Carmen and welcome to Now Sip This. Today we will be making Irish coffee. When I was younger, my mom used to order it when we went to Spur, and I remember thinking like, my earrings. But I remember thinking, rich bitch things like, wow, my mom is really out here drinking coffee from Ireland. But actually, it's just coffee with some good quality Irish whiskey. Now, there are many ways to make an Irish coffee. There are ones that are like super indulgent and super decadent. The recipe I'll be using is a quick and easy way to make the Irish coffee at home for two. All you need for your Irish coffee at home is half a cup of fresh cream, 1 cup of brewed coffee, 2 teaspoons of brown sugar, a shot of good quality Irish whiskey, I'll be using Jameson, and some cinnamon to garnish right at the end. So to start, first whip up your cream. You can use a manual whisk or an electrical whisk, but me, I'm using an electrical whisk. What you want to do is create soft peaks while still ensuring that it's a portable consistency. Beautiful! So make sure that you beat your cream until it's nice and thick, creates beautiful peaks, but is still portable. Set your cream aside, add 1 teaspoon of brown sugar to each mug. Add in your coffee. Now that you've added in your coffee, make sure you stir so that your sugars all dissolve. And now for the fun part. Add 1 shot of your Jameson Whiskey into each mug. One last stir. Now pour in your cream. The suggestion is that you pour it over a warm tablespoon just so that it sits beautifully on top of your coffee. If you're not keen, just dump it in. It's perfectly fine. So pretty. Oh, I missed. And now grab some cinnamon to garnish. And there you go, Irish coffee for two. Irish coffees are a yum, delicious winter warm-up. It can be enjoyed in front of a crackling fire, or with family and friends, or just by yourself when you are binging your favorite series. So when serving it to guests, you can give them a teaspoon or straw just to stir it through and sip. Look here. It's delicious. You get a mouthful of cream first, but if you persevere, you get to that good coffee. Oh, bitch. It warms you up from the inside. It's good. I should probably lick off my mustache.
Maybe.
Yeah, that was delicious. Thank you so much for watching Now Sip This. Please like, subscribe and comment and let me know what you think.
It was all that.
Clink, clink.